Hello, I'm Professor Red, and today's lesson is on learning how to use an edit decision list template. And this is used to do what we call a paper edit. The videos we recorded were interviews that were transcribed into text. Based on the text, we will do an edit by reading what was said and deciding what will be used. The main objective is to create an EDL, that's an edit decision list, which is a paper form of what you will actually edit. It serves as a roadmap. When you're editing, you don't have to be confused. It organizes your editing so that you're sitting in front of an edit application and all you do is follow what the edit decision list said, which is something you have decided. What will be the first, second, third, and sequentially you will select those and put them on your editing timeline. For now, let's review the edit decision list form. But before we do that, I would like us to give you each a chance to go into the chat. The person you interview, the interviewee is the person you interviewed. Put their name and the topic in the chat. Take a minute to comment on each other's topics. I am going to check in the chat, and I see there are many comments. Others are commenting on each other's topics. That's excellent. Okay, some very interesting topics. Okay, now let's look at what an edit decision list looks like. The edit decision list we will be reviewing will be a sample list. The sample edit decision list is right in front of the screen, and it tells you the shot, which shot will come first, which will come second, third, fourth. It will also show you what the name of the file, the video file is. Because we're using one video for the entire project, we have the same name. This is a video file, and the extension is MP4. It's a video. We're using the same video file for all of these edits. And this is the point on the video that you will start this first edit, and this is where you will end. 9 seconds and 1 frame, and this is 10 seconds and 12 frames. So these are time codes. The time code is on. As you play the videos, you will see the time codes on them. The last two numbers are frames. It takes maybe up to 30 frames, still shots, to make 1 minute, 1 second, sorry. 30 frames makes a second. And there are the seconds. you will have 60 seconds to make a minute. I hope you can see this. I'm going to go closer. So these are frames. These are seconds. These are minutes and hours. On all of this, we have this is called a time code. Every video you record using a proper camera will indicate where you are on the video. So you can decide where on the video you are going to select by simply putting that time code. It'll be easy to find it when you actually are editing. And you say what is said at 9 seconds, one frame, the word children is said, and it ends at 10 seconds, 12 frame with let them lead the way. And that's the first edit. So you scroll through, you have already done that. You scroll by reading through your text. It's easier to read a transcript than to be scrolling up and down a video. So you're going to read through the transcript and say, oh, yeah, let them lead the way, show them. And show starts at 3 minutes into the clip, into this particular file, video file. Starts at 3 minutes, 10 seconds. It ends at 3 minutes, 39 seconds, 13 frames. Yeah, this is 23 frames. And in that way, you will read through and just using the text, decide how it reads by taking these clips that you have decided sound good, just reading through and putting them in this edit decision list. Um, Now I will show you the, I'll show you the list. Let's look at the form you will be working with. And that form is this one. So we can take another break after we look at this form. I'm introducing it. It's the same as the other, except it hasn't been filled. You can use the second page. I mean, you can make several copies of this. This is a Word document, so it's easy. All you have to do is number the pages. This is page 1, of course. And you can have several other pages, page 2, 3, and 4, if you need more. And you can go ahead and number the number of edits you need to complete this. Remember to put the name of the clip. It could be a number, it could be a name, whatever your clip says. And then start reading through, find an end point where you want to start and an out point. In these two spaces, you are going to put the time code that includes 4 sets of numbers: the frame, the seconds, the minutes. You will be mainly dealing with minutes and frames. You will not be dealing with the hour. I mean, you'll be dealing with seconds and well, minutes, because you will go into the a clip. The entire recording did not last 1 hour, so you will not be going into the hour mode. hour time frame. So you have to record this between those segments, not between those time modes. We use a colon, and then make sure to write the first 3 or 4 words and put ellipses between it, like uh, I my name is, and then ellipse is like 1, 2, 3 dots, and then you could end it with um, red, or two words if Wilma read. And in that way, you will go ahead and complete this edit decision list that is made available. Okay, we'll take a pause, assigning breakout rooms for 2 or 3 participants. The rooms are open. You may join based on your topic. All right, and I will be coming into each room to see the progress you're making. In the meantime, let me send you in the chat a copy of the um, edit decision list form. I've sent it to everyone in the chat. So I'm going to pause the screen for a minute and give you a chance to go into your different groups. Before we share our edit decision lists, I would like to show you this video that was edited by one of my students who used the system, the edit decision list, to select the videos that were recorded. He didn't only use videos of the interview, he used videos of B-roll to show what is being spoken about.
I really didn't want to live the way I was living for those first 2 years, for the rest of my life. And if it wasn't going to work out with, quote unquote, the dog, I didn't really see any other options. So I had a plan. I was going to throw a big old party with with the friends that I still had left. And after all was said and done, I was going to have myself a big old ice cream sundae with some specialized sprinkles and be done with it. My name is Anthony Corona, and I am fully blind, legally blind. I am a guide dog user. My guide dog's name is Bodie. He's from the Guide Dog Foundation in Smithtown, Long Island. And I have him because I'm a fast-paced, fast-moving person. And although the cane is an incredible mobility tool, and many from my community, our community, use it and use it effectively, it was not a tool that worked well for me.
If you have any questions and you want clarification, and those of you who I sent a note to say that let's talk after, you can meet me um, now. The rest of you can go ahead and have a little flex time to see how you will begin the edits, go over the list. Maybe you may want to make some changes and, look through the text. It's a Word document, so you can always shift things around. By the time you start to edit, it's going to be so simple. And even at that time, you can make changes. But it's good to start your edit with a well thought through, a well executed edit decision list. Thank you.